Well, today is Wednesday, October 3rd, 2018, which means today's the day of the third national, I think it's like the fourth national periodic test of the emergency alert system, which is at 2:20 a little bit later on. It's currently 2:01, which means we have like less than 20 minutes before it comes on the air. So before that happens, there's got to be another kind of test, which is the National WEA test. That'll be happening 2 minutes before at 2:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This description explains the wireless emergency alert system sends a message through your mobile carrier. A message box will appear on your phone with a loud tone and vibration. This is different from a text message. Your phone number is not shared with anyone, which is good. Presidential alerts meant for use in a national emergency, and only the type of WEA alert that can be sent nationwide by FEMA. So we're going to be receiving like an emergency text message from the President of the United States himself, which should be very soon. And after that, we'll see the official national periodic test of the EAS at 2:20. So stay tuned, and we'll see it happen shortly. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the WEA test should be happening in about 1 minute from now. So we're going to wait exactly 1 minute until it pops up. In the meantime, I've got like radio and TV stations on, like say my Lacrosse SA3301 right here. It's on Easy 99.1 right now, WPLM. I've got CNN on my Xfinity Stream app here. See if the alert test at 2:20 comes on there. And I've got my St. James CL100 on WBMX 104.1 here. It should be the WEA test should be happening right about now, I think.
A presidential alert is a nationwide test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. It was built by the federal government and cell phone carriers, and when news came out about this alert, a lot of people
here it is.
not too thrilled, claiming innovation of privacy, among other things. It's 2:18. I'm waiting for my alert. Shall we go to Caitlin? Don't have it yet. Caitlin Collins is our CNN White House correspondent. Caitlin, I'm looking. I got nothing.
Brooke, they said it could take
There you go.
30 minutes or so before everyone gets these alerts.
Phase 1 down, phase 2 to go.
There we go.
Going off right now, right here.
So we'll just wait it out until the official national EAS test comes on radio and TV. So bear with me. Oh, I've also got my TV on ABC right now, which is on General Hospital, which my mom likes to watch. Sorry, I forgot to mention that.
When that push alert went off saying there was an incoming missile headed for Hawaii, it sent off.
Oh, here's Easy 99.1 playing the test now.
Systems like this, where essentially a message like this can go out to such a large number of people.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
Oh, here's WBMX now.
Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission.
skies, lows in the 50s.
Oh, my TV's going off too.
An official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
NASDAQ up 49 and the S&P 500 is up 12. In other news, scientists say they want to know what's causing whales to die and wash ashore along the New England coast. There have been 20 so far this year. The latest, a juvenile minke whale discovered yesterday near Brant Rock in Marshfield. Tony Lacasse of the New England Aquarium tells WBZ Radio that scientists are looking for answers.
Well, there's a major investigation going on by NOAA, the Federal Oceans Agency, and there's really not a smoking gun
Oh, wait.
discussed yet among scientists and veterinarians who are investigating it.
There's WBZ News Radio 1030 right there.
Really disappointed in seeing the president and what he did last night, but the real question is.
Interestingly, I think that this Kavanaugh fight is going to have a much more difference whatsoever.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
Director Steve Monjo says, along with their 24-hour helpline.
And there was the WEA test of 2018 on our cellular phones, and the 4th National Periodic Emergency Alert System test of 2018 as well. So that's going to wrap things up here. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and let me know what your thoughts are about it in the comments below. So that's going to be it. Take care of yourselves, have a good day, and I'll see you all next time.